Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course.
Hello y'all, this is Raeshad from RaeshadBeats.com. Welcome back to another Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about this function called the edit selection point. Now, I had a lot of cases where this will pop up and I wouldn't really know how to get rid of it. I remember early in my Pro Tools career, I used to see this line, this gold line right here, the line with the two dots. I used to see this line and I used to wonder, like, how do I get rid of it? So if you're having the same issue when you see this edit selection point and you don't know what to do, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it within this video. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. As you can see, the edit selection point is right here, and when you record with it, it'll really be in the same spot, but it'll also hinder your recording because the selection point is where it wants to be. So whenever that happens, what you want to do is you want to click over here, and then when you click on this right here, you want to click on where it says link timeline edit selection, and when you click it and it turns on, you can see that the edit selection is gone. It's completely gone from the session, and you can turn it off to bring it back anywhere you want. When you turn it off, it comes right back. So do that, and then there you go. The edit selection point is right there, and then if you want to take it off, just click the link timeline edit selection, and boom, it's gone. Now, that's all I wanted to show you guys for this video. If you guys have any other questions and concerns, please leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for more Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course videos as we continue to keep breaking Pro Tools down step by step, bit by bit, piece by piece. Raeshad Beats out. Peace.
Raeshad.